You know what? I want to.
I'm good behind the
He thinks he's good behind the camera. This dude is always on the camera. He doesn't want to show himself, but y'all need to know who this dude is. He shoots dang near all the Omni content.
And Mauricio.
And what?
And Mauricio.
Dude, like, you got an Instagram. What do you do?
Yeah.
Don't be private. Come on, man. It's time that we got to give you some love too, man, for all the work you do. What's your Instagram, bro?
Instagram is Joel Santiago Films.
Joel Santiago Films. So you really want to follow this guy. I'm going to put his link at the bottom. These are the other Omni guys right here.
Yeah.
That's not Ruben. That's
That's
I want to call him Ruben because my name is Ruben. Yes, sir.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
And Marvin.
Call me.
Respectfully, it's not Filipino.
No.
Marvin is
We'll talk about that, Lizelle.
Lizelle. That's my friend Lizelle who thinks he's Filipino. I told you he's
about
not. These are the guys at Omni, man. So
But where am I from?
I thought he was Filipino too.
y'all sir are.
Take a boat and let everybody.
Egypt.
Oh wow! Wow, you're right there. You're right on. Yeah.
What? That's because my sister-in-law is from Egypt, so I kind of took a guess.
You cheated.
That's Yasser and my guy Marvin, the OmniPrint. Again, we're flying home. Came, saw, conquered, and just want to make it home safely. Remember, again, like I said, your dreams are on the other side of that fear. For me, it's the fear of flying, but I'm making it happen. You can too.